Hey guys, there is nothing worse than sitting down to game and realizing your console won't power on. Whether it's PS5, Xbox Series X, or the Nintendo Switch dock, this 2025 guide will walk you through how to fix it quickly and safely. First, check power source and cables. Unplug the power cable, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Try a different outlet or surge protector. Sometimes the problem isn't the console. For PS5 and Xbox, make sure the power cord isn't loose. They tend to shift after long use. Perform a power reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, unplug the console for 60 seconds, then plug it back in and try again. This clears residual power and can often fix soft lockups. Step 3. Check for overheating or power supply failure. Touch the back of or side of your console. If it's hot, let it cool down for 10 minutes before retrying. If you're using external power brick like older Xbox models, look for a solid orange or white light. No light means it's dead and needs replacing. Step 4. Firmware boot fix. Many consoles now have firmware safe boot modes. For PS5, hold power until you hear a second beep. Plug in controller via USB. Choose rebuild database. For Xbox, hold bind plus eject plus power for 10 seconds to trigger the low level boot repair. Always use original charging or power cables. Third-party adapters often cause power inconsistencies that can fry internal circuits over time. If your console still won't power on, contact support, but make sure power circle completed, plus alternate outlet tested, so they can fast-track your warranty replacement in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.